just started driving along the Tallulah River, and I remember this being just a beautiful drive through here. Hopefully the route is the same, if not similar, to the Traverse, but this is the first parking area that I came to, so I'm gonna walk down here, check this river out. I remember it being just absolutely beautiful. I could only imagine the fly fishing in the springtime, especially after they've released all those rainbow trout. Look at this, just gorgeous. Oh, the fishing in here, right in here would be awesome. I love the little eddy. You know that holds fish. Looks like I've got a pretty drive ahead of me here for the next few miles anyways. I just came up Charlie's Creek Road after doing that water crossing, which is really cool. There is way more water here than there was the last time I came through here a couple of years ago. A lot of the spots on Charlie's Creek Road here that were marked as water crossings, last time I came through, I was heading in the other direction on the Traverse, there was absolutely no water, but there's quite a bit in there now. I'm also happy to report that I guess a few years ago they came through on that very lower section and graded the road going down towards that water crossing. Well, what I can tell you is over the last couple of seasons, the nature has taken its toll and it's really washed out that section. So it's back to being, if you're going uphill, it's definitely a four-wheel drive only situation, as you saw. It's very off camber. It was really nice. I remember a lot of people being disappointed last time I came through here. That time, you know, those couple of years, because it was such an easy route where it used to be a little more difficult. But anyways, the reason for my stop here is the Appalachian Trail crosses right here. Crosses Charlie's Creek Road, and every year I've made it a point to at least be on the Appalachian Trail at some point, even if it's in some sort of small capacity. We've got a white blaze right here, and the trail goes up this way. A lot of good memories on the Appalachian Trail. This route has crossed the Appalachian Trail several times. A lot of other trails too, but I wasn't expecting it to cross right here. Very cool. Well, I checked that off of the box for 2025. All right, I'm gonna continue to head up Charlie's Creek Road. It looks like the worst of it's behind me, and see what the rest of the route brings.